Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Verizon payment method. So first things first, you want to go ahead and log into Verizon, access your customer portal, and make sure you're on the billing and payment tab. You want to go ahead and click on manage payment methods, and you will see right here all the saved payment methods that you have. They'll be listed under payment methods. If you want to update, for example, credit card details, so on the manage payment methods tab, you want to check the box next to the card you want to update. Okay, for example, if it's this one, go ahead and check that box, and you can come here and update the card. Put the new expiration date, security code, zip code. You can do that as well. And then you can also save time with auto pay. So basically, by checking this, you'll sign up to auto pay, and your bills will be paid automatically each month using this payment method. Then you can go ahead and click on submit. And if you want, you can also go ahead and add new bank details. So on the Manage Payment Method tab, you can expand the Add a New Bank Account section by clicking on the plus icon at the right of the section name. Right now, it is a minus icon, but usually you can go ahead and press the plus icon, okay? So come here, enter your routing number, your bank account number, and your payee name. And of course, you can go ahead and save time with AutoPay as well. And just go ahead and click Submit. And if you want to add a new card, go to the Manage Payment Methods page, expand on add a new card, click on the plus icon, and then that would expand. Enter your card number, security code, expiration month, expiration year, basically the expiration code, your payee name, and the zip code. And of course, you can save time by checking on right here for autopay. Just click on submit, and you are done. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.